Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Today we have with us a newly launched smartwatch from Noise, and it's the NoiseFit Active. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you its features. In the front of the box we have the Noise branding and the picture of the smartwatch. And here we have the model name NoiseFit Active, and it's a fitness smartwatch. Here on this side of the box we can see that it's designed in India. At the back of the box we have the key features, and this smartwatch is in black color. Apart from that, it's also available in few different colors. And here we have the features such as SpO2 monitoring, 1.28 inches color screen, 7 days battery life. You get the stress monitoring in this smartwatch. The display has a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. It's 5 ATM waterproof. You also get the female health tracking, cloud-based watch faces, and it comes with the 14 sports modes. The app NoiseFit is available on both Android and iOS platform. The MRP of this smartwatch is 5,999. However, it's available to purchase right now at introductory price of Rs 3,499. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So first we get this mini box, and inside it we have the welcome card which has the warranty information. And here we have the user guide, and it has a detailed information about the watch function and features. And then here we have the smartwatch itself, and my first impression about this smartwatch is that it feels well built, and I really like the metallic finish on the dial of this smartwatch. We will look at this smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get this charging cable, and the cable connects magnetically at the back of the smartwatch like this. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Starting with the design and build quality, I find the quality of this smartwatch very good. Though it's a budget segment product, but the build quality of this smartwatch is very good. The straps are also of good quality and feel soft on the hand. Overall, in terms of quality, the watch feels good on the hand. And now talking more about the design, it's round dial, and in the front we have the 1.28 inches TFT color display which has the resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. There are two physical buttons on the side by which you can operate this smartwatch. I must say that this metallic finish dial feels very good. Even though it's made up of hard polycarbonate material, it feels almost like metal. And also, this smartwatch feels lightweight and weighs only 36 grams. Now looking at the back, we have the heart rate sensor, and as mentioned earlier, we get the SpO2 monitoring in this smartwatch. And then here we have the charging pins. Talking about some other technical details, you get the 3-axis accelerometer, 320 mAh battery, and this smartwatch is 5 ATM waterproof. Now let's turn on the smartwatch and pair it with our phone. So here it is on and asking us to scan the QR code. And to pair the smartwatch, we need to go to the Add Device section and choose the model name from the list. And here it is paired with our phone. We will look at the companion app in a moment. Let's go through the menu first. NoiseFit Active supports both gestures and button control. And here we have the watch face. You can change the watch face by long pressing on the screen. And here we have the available watch faces. And by the way, you can download more watch faces using the app, which I will show you in a moment. So swiping down on the watch face will show you the notification history, and swiping up shows you the quick settings. And here we have different settings such as wrist sense, which is basically raise to wake feature. And then we have the brightness control. And guys, you don't get the auto brightness in this smartwatch. Swiping right or left shows you the shortcut apps such as heart rate, stress monitoring, fitness data, and so on. To access the menu, you would need to press the top button once. And here we have the main menu. The bottom button on the smartwatch allows you to quickly access the workout menu. And from here, you can select different workout modes. And about that, I will talk in a moment. Now looking at the menu, first we have the health data, which shows you your current day's fitness data. And then we have the sport modes. And here we have the outdoor and indoor running, outdoor walk, cycling, swimming, hiking, yoga, rower, cricket, and so on. When you start any sport activity, you can choose the goal based on distance or duration. Then in the menu we have the record, which basically shows you your workout history. And after that we have the heart rate monitoring. The heart rate detection is fast and seems correct as of now. Then in the menu we have the sleep monitoring, which shows you your last night's sleep details, which I'm yet to test. And then we have the SpO2 monitoring, which is a must-have feature these days. And after that we have the stress monitoring. And guys, you get the all-day stress monitoring in this smartwatch. Then in the menu we have the breathe, where you can do breathing exercise in different patterns. After that we have the stopwatch, timer, which has some preset timers. And then we have the alarm, and you can set the alarm from the watch itself. And after that we have the music menu, by which you can control the music on your phone from this watch. You don't see the song name, but you can change the soundtrack and increase or decrease the volume. And then we have the weather, which shows you 2 days weather forecast. And after that we have the find phone option, which plays a loud tone on your phone. And then finally we have the settings, and here we have the screen on time, which you can set up to 20 seconds. And then we have the brightness, and you get 3-level brightness in this smartwatch. And then we have the watch face menu, and from here you can select different watch faces stored in this smartwatch. And then lastly we have the usual option such as restart, reset and turn off the smartwatch. So guys, that's all the features and options we have on this smartwatch. Now let me quickly show you the companion app NoiseFit. So this new app from Noise looks pretty good when it comes to the design and user interface. And here on the home page we have some suggested content, and then below it we have the fitness data of the current day. And then below it we have the other fitness data presented neatly. You can see the step count, heart rate, SpO2 and so on. When you tap on the menu, you can see the historical data by week, month and so on. On the next page we have the shop, where you can see new Noise products. After that we have the activity page, and from here you can start any fitness activity using your smartphone. And then we have the watch face menu, and here you can select from the available watch faces. And I must tell you, some of the watch faces looks very good on this smartwatch. And also guys, you can apply a custom watch face as well. And here you can see we have this nice wallpaper as a watch face. Now coming back to the app menu, then we have the settings, and here first we have the remaining battery of the connected smartwatch on the top, and below it we have the smartwatch settings, such as from here you can toggle music control, change the heart rate detection type, connect to Google Fit and enable wrist sense. You can also change the notification and alert settings here. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. You get the vibration alert on the watch, which you can disable by pressing the button or reject the call. Now talking about the app alert, here is how you get the WhatsApp alert. And like most of the smartwatches in this price range, you don't get to see the preset replies. So in terms of the companion app, the companion app NoiseFit feels good, and I like the design and the user interface of this app. It has pretty much all the options and features which you need for a smartwatch. So overall the NoiseFit Active is a fitness smartwatch which looks good in terms of design and quality. The display quality is good, and about the visibility, the 400 nits brightness is good for both indoors and outdoors. Feature wise, you get all the basic features, and also the most important feature, the SpO2 monitoring in this smartwatch. But as expected from this smartwatch, we notice stutters and lags while going through different menus. But the touch however is very responsive. Now about the fitness data, I'm yet to test the accuracy, but as of now it feels pretty accurate. But I will let you know more about it in our review video, so stay tuned for that. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a good quality smartwatch under Rs 3500, then the NoiseFit Active is also a very good option. I would not say it's the best out of the rest in this segment, but it's a pretty decent package. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the NoiseFit Active smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.